Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade stock of the day, and there's no question about it, FGEN. So here's an example, guys, of why doing some pre-market work is very important. So look at FGEN yesterday, it was at $25, and look where it opened this morning. Well, and this is in the pre-market, okay, $17. Big $8 drop. Why? The advisory committee, FDA, basically said it rejected their new, what was it called? New drug application. Okay, they said nope, we're not accepting your new drug application. So this is already down so much in the pre-market. You might think, well, okay, how much further can it go down? Well, here's the deal. First of all, I don't have to show you a monthly or daily chart. I can just tell you right off the bat, these are all-time lows for this stock. So there was no support whatsoever. Now, this is what I said in the trading room, because again, I opened the room at 9 o'clock. Okay, so half an hour before the market opens. Notice this is 8:45. That's 9 o'clock. That is 9:15. And I said to people, listen, if you, and I can't make recommendations. I can't say go out and short this, But what I did say was that the stock is already down. I don't know what percent. Right now it's down 45%, but it was certainly down way more than 10% at this point. And when the market opens, then we get this stupid uptick rule. And the uptick rule meaning that if a stock is down more than 10%, you can't usually just go in at the bid and get a fill. There has to be some action back at the ask, and then it goes back to the bid, and you could be in a big queue of people wanting to short the stock. In the pre-market, for whatever reason, that doesn't exist. So I was saying, it's a lot easier to get this short in the pre-market than waiting for the market open. I wasn't recommending people to do that. I was just pointing out, the logistics of it. So obviously that's what I did. I took this in the pre-market, and man, what a great rundown. Look at how, on the 15-minute chart, just straight down from about 16 all the way down to 13, 17 before it popped back up, okay? And now I don't know what's going to happen, but that was just a great short. I know a lot of people in the room took this short, and it's just a matter of doing some pre-market work, checking the longer-term time frames. No support because it's an all-time low, and maybe getting in before the market opens. Then you don't have to worry about the uptick rule. So that was certainly the trade of the day for a lot of people in our trading room. All right, everybody, I'm going to shut this down when I get back into the room. So if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. I'll open the room Monday morning at 9 o'clock. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.